Okay, we had a few questions about this recent worksheet. So problem 13 was -1 is less than v minus 2 over 21. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear the fraction, but I'm going to multiply by 21. Okay? So if I multiply by 21, I can show that in red. So I'm going to times by 21 on that side and times by 21 on that side. So the 21s cancel. So then I get v minus 2 is on that side and -21 on that side. Now I'm going to add 2. So we get v on that side and -19. So I have -19 is less than v, or v is greater than -19. So then to graph that solution, I'd have -19 here, I'd have -20 here, -18 here, -17, and so on. And what I would do is I'd do an open circle around -19, and I'd shade everything to the right. Okay? Let's look at another problem, number 14. So I have -132 is greater than 12 times n plus 9. So easy first step is I can distribute. And so I get -132 is greater than 12n plus 9 times 12 is 108. So I can subtract 108. So I have 12n on that side. -132 minus 108 is -240. So now I can divide by 12. And I get n on this side is less than -20. So -20 is greater than n, so n is less than -20. So again, to graph it, I'm going to have -20 somewhere, -21, -19, and I said n is less than -20, so open circle and everything to the left, like that. Okay? So, let's look at a couple more. Number 15 says -11 plus n all over 15 is less than -1. So easiest first step is to multiply by 15. So I'm going to multiply by 15 on both sides. That'll cancel that 15. So I have -11 plus n is less than -165. So now I'm going to add 11 to both sides. So I have n is less than -154. Okay, so if I want to graph that then, I have -154, -153, -155, and n has to be less than, so open circle, shade in, everything less than that. Okay, one more problem that wasn't asked about, but I thought some people might have questions about it. 4 is less than 1 plus n over 7. Okay, there's a couple ways to do it. There's one fraction here. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 1 first, so I get 3 is less than n over 7. Now to clear the fraction, I'm just going to times both sides by 7, so I get n. 21 is less than n, so n is greater than 21. I have to keep the relationship on the inequality. So then if I graph that, 21, 22, 20, 23 goes that way. And then everything greater than 21, so open circle, I'm going to shade in like that. Okay? And that's how you can do those problems.